I'm currently here at Canton Fair 2026. Honestly, I've been in China like 14 years. Since I've been in this city, I've probably missed 2 Canton Fairs. Out of this Canton Fair, I'll tell you why I missed those 2 Canton Fairs. Every year, I wait for this almost 5 months in advance because this is not just an exhibition. This is where the world's next big products, innovations, new tech, AI solutions, everything originates from. In simple words, this is the world of its own. So let's explore this world together. Welcome to Phase 1, Day 1, Canton Fair 2026. I always mention in my video that whenever you come to Canton Fair, you should do the pre-registration. Check out the crowd. Too many people, and I think so you should make the pre-registration before come to Canton Fair, so you will save you so much time. Let me tell you something important, that whenever you come to the Canton Fair, you should visit this place because you will get this kind of badge here. This could be your identity, like you attended this Canton Fair. So whenever you come here, you can take out some time and come here and get this badge. In Area D, they have designated area of AI robotic zone. So no matter it's like for hospital, for personal use, or anything related to AI, you can see all the products in this area. They have great products this year, but I'll show you these all products in day 2 or day 3 videos. This is quite innovative. You can check out this one, 2 heads fan, which is amazing. It rotates like 360, and this is a new product of 2026. Let me show you the specification of this fan. This one, like the power is like 160 watts, 3 speeds, cover distance like 12 meters, and the MOQ is like 300 pieces. This is a direct factory. If you need the details of this fan, you can the form is in the description. You can fill out the form and I will share all the details. And check out this one. This is quite cute. It also rotates like 360, and it's a quite new one. It has the remote control. And how about this one? Check out this one. I think this is innovation, like there is no water dropping here, and it feels like the AC, which is amazing. So this factory has great fans here. So if you need the details of any kind of fan, you can contact me. Let me show you the best viral product of 2026. Check out this heater. It's made by graphite, which is the best material of the heat conductor. Check out this one. I think this is quite great. So if you need the details, because they have other fan and heaters as well. So if you need the detail of this factory, you can contact me, and there's a form in the description. You can contact me and I'll share all the details with you. Thank you so much.
Do you have mice?
I saw I have So I'll
A basket. Okay, I will follow your Instagram and then follow me back.
Sure, no problem. It's quite tiring right now, and in Canton Fair they have multiple food options, and you can get a lot of things. Right now I'm having the McDonald's, and let's take some break, and after that we'll continue. Let me show you the innovation in the air fryer. Check out this one. There's a big screen here, and you can cook more than 20 dishes. And and this is the same one. And you can also set the recipe as well, and it's in English. Yeah, and the quality is good. They also have some other good products as well. Check out this product. I think this is all in one. It has the water filter like RO, UV light, and the great part is ice making. Right now, this machine can produce the ice, which is quite amazing. So check out this one. This is the whole package, and the MOQ is like 500 pieces, and this factory is in Qingyuan. So if you need the details, contact me. Let me show you the 3 best products, one for TikTok, one for Amazon, and another for retail or wholesale. This one is best for Amazon, and the best part of this part is like the eyes. Whenever you touch it, you feel so much comfort, and it has 3 colors, and the price is quite reasonable, and this is best for Amazon. And this one is best for TikTok, but this product won't have the ice one, yeah. And this is the great one because whenever you use it, you can use it for like 1 or 1.5 hours. And the best part of this one is it's like the ice you can see. So it will give you comfort at this area. So I think this is a great business opportunity. And if you wanted to know the details of this product, contact me. Right now, you don't need to cook the food. China has great innovation here. Let me show you. Check out this one. You can cook anything. This machine has more than 100,000 recipes. Check out this one. You can make the appetizer, basic beverages, dessert, sauce, main dishes, and it can cook the vegetable in just 3 minutes, and it can cook the meat in 20 minutes, which is amazing. So right now, you don't need to worry for how to cook the food. Check out this one. They have great SKUs here. This is also quite innovative and reasonable price. And the best thing is whenever you touch here, it will start work. You can see. When I stop, it will stop working, which is amazing, and the price is quite reasonable. And you can also choose different colors as well. And check out this one. This is quite stylish as well. And how about this one? This is also a great thing. Like it has the magnet as well. It can hold all the machines. A lot of products here, a lot of innovation here. Tomorrow I'll come here again. I'll show you more and more, which could help you a lot in your business, in your personal life. Because right now I have a lot of queries from my clients, and if you have any query related to Canton Fair or anything from China, you can fill out the form. The form is in the description, and you can contact me. So see you tomorrow. Stay premium.
阿姨知道吗？这边起来。